In the fast-paced digital world, mobile apps have become a critical component for businesses to engage with their customers, streamline operations, and boost revenue. However, developing a custom mobile app can be a daunting and expensive process, often requiring extensive technical knowledge and resources. Enter Zapable, a powerful software platform that democratizes mobile app creation, making it accessible for businesses of all sizes and industries. Zapable is an innovative software solution that enables users to create fully customized mobile apps without the need for coding skills. Designed with ease of use in mind, Zapable offers a wide range of templates tailored for various business types, from dental practices to fast food services, property managers, and more. This user-friendly platform allows businesses to quickly develop and deploy mobile apps that cater to their specific needs, enhancing their ability to connect with customers and streamline their services. Zapable provides an extensive library of pre-designed templates covering a broad spectrum of industries. Whether you're running a dental office, a real estate agency, a food truck, or a life coaching business, Zapable has a template that fits your needs. These templates are fully customizable, allowing users to tweak them to match their brand identity. One of Zapable's standout features is its simplicity. Users can easily edit the content, images, and features of their app without needing any technical expertise. The platform includes drag and drop functionality, making it straightforward to add or modify elements such as booking systems, push notifications, and customer reviews. Zapable supports integration with existing systems, such as booking software used by dental offices. This ensures that businesses can maintain their current workflows while enhancing their customer engagement through a mobile app. Zapable is not just about creating apps, it also provides robust tools to market and sell these apps. Users are guided on how to reach out to potential clients, whether online or in their local area. The platform encourages creating demo apps to showcase to prospective customers, making the sales process more effective. Thanks for watching.